Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, where did my strength go? If you're a senior, a caregiver, or someone who loves an older family member, you're not alone. Losing muscle isn't just a part of aging, it's something called sarcopenia, and it's more common than you think. But here's the good news, you can fight back, and it might just come down to one powerful nutrient. I want you to imagine this, feeling strong enough to pick up your grandchild, walk up the stairs with confidence, or even just get out of a chair with ease. For many, these are simple joys we start to miss as muscle fades. But it doesn't have to be that way. Let's talk about protein. It's more than just a word on a nutrition label. It's the building block your muscles crave, especially as you age. But here's the catch. As we get older, our bodies don't process protein as efficiently. That means we need a little more of it to keep our muscles going strong. So, what does this look like in real life? It could be as simple as adding a serving of Greek yogurt to your breakfast, tossing some beans into your salad, or enjoying a piece of chicken or fish at dinner. If you follow a plant-based diet, tofu, lentils, and nuts are fantastic options. And no, you don't need to become a bodybuilder. Just a little boost in daily protein, paired with some gentle movement, can make a world of difference. Now, I know change can feel overwhelming, especially if you're caring for someone or trying to help a loved one. But small steps, taken together, can lead to big changes. Imagine seeing your parents smile as they walk a little taller, or feeling your own sense of accomplishment as you regain strength you thought was gone for good. That's why I believe in the power of community. Share your story in the comments, and let's cheer each other on. Before you start, always check with your doctor, especially if you have kidney issues or other health concerns. But don't let fear hold you back. You deserve to feel strong, independent, and proud at any age. So if you're ready to rebuild muscle and defeat sarcopenia, start with protein. Start today. And don't forget to drop a comment below with your own experiences or questions. I'd love to hear from you. Because growing older doesn't mean growing weaker. Not when you have the right tools.